Hello YouTube. This is kind of a forgotten tool set. It's been behind the seat of my truck for probably 20 years. Let's clean it up and then we'll show you what's inside. It's hardly been used, but look at these plastic hinges. I thought I'd show you that. And this has hardly been opened. There's only one tool missing if I remember right. So we'll come back after we clean the outside. Okay, we cleaned it up pretty good. Some purple power, then a rag with rinse water. We even used some of that spray-on wax. Kind of put a little shine to it. But show you what's in here. There's one tool missing, and it should be a side cutters. Yeah, I should know. I was in here cleaning it already, so I've already came in here and dusted this off. So we'll look up here first. Go through the wrenches real quick. 15, 14, 13, 12, and 10 millimeters. 3/8, 7/16, half inch, 9/16, 5/8. It's a comb you had to work on a car. Sockets go from clear on the 4 millimeter, like 4.55. So it's got some odd ones in there. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 15, it skips 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17. So that's all quarter inch size. This is 3/8 size, same here with your standard. 3/8, 7/16, half inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, and 3/4. These go way down. I can't even read it. A couple sizes below quarter inch. 3/16 and 7/32. Then you got your quarter inch, that odd 9/32, 5/16, 11/32, 5/16, 7/16, half inch. So on a Ford, you might have some odd size nuts, like on a starter solenoid or something. That's what them odd sizes usually are. General Motors starter. Two types of Allen wrenches. So I'm assuming, back so you can see the bottom. I'm assuming these are metric NSE. You got it in what, an 8-inch crescent wrench, the ratchet, adapter from 3/8 to quarter inch, 5/8 spark plug socket. That's what the truck is 5/8. Some screwdriver bits, 1, 2, and 3 Phillips, 4, 5, 5, and 6.5. For your bit size, which I'm confused on regular straight bits. They're probably measured in millimeter. And then you got a 6, 7, and an 8 hex. So you've got a screwdriver in here. You got your handle. You got your adapter that goes from quarter inch to put your bits in here. Which I'm assuming, if I'm right, I'm sure I am. Because the bits are a little bit different. You know, than a socket, of course, you know what I mean. And one short extension. So that's not bad for a basic toolkit. Instead of this, it'd be nice to have, you know, modify and put a small pair of vice grips in here. You know, sure, you can use this for cotter pins and stuff. It had a pair of side cutters in there. We can cut wire with that. And this is called Companion on the case. It says Companion. No, very little rust. Like I said, it's always been behind the seat of the truck. So it's more dusty than anything. Like this. This was laying down with the writing this way. So it wore it. Miles and miles of rubbing in there. So there you go. I'll leave you a couple photos. I got it as a gift or something. But I just threw it in the truck, so I always had spare tools. You know, doesn't hurt. So, thanks for watching. Somewhere I've got a ratchet type handled screwdriver bit set that's got all kinds of bits in it. But a bunch of them are gone, so. Thanks again. We'll leave you some photos.